For decades, nuclear power in India has remained firmly under state control. Now, that wall is about to come down. On Monday, the Modi government introduced the Shanti Bill 2025 in Parliament that aims to open India's civil nuclear power sector to private players for the first time. The bill seeks to repeal the Atomic Energy Act of 1962 and the Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act of 2010, laws that kept the sector tightly restricted. So, what is this bill about and what does it change? Shanti stands for Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India. The bill allows private companies, joint ventures, and public private partnerships to build nuclear power plants, own and operate them, and even decommission reactors. So, what does the bill entail and what are the major provisions? The Shanti Bill opens the entire nuclear value chain to private participation, subject to regulatory and safety oversight. At present, India operates 23 nuclear reactors with an installed capacity of about 8.8 gigawatt. That's a modest figure for a country of India's size. Private investment and expertise are seen as critical to scaling up faster. Nuclear liability has long deterred investors. Under the Shanti Bill, the operator, not the supplier, is primarily liable for nuclear damage. Liability does not apply in cases such as grave natural disasters, war, terrorism, or civil conflict. This clarity is designed to reduce uncertainty and attract investment. The bill permits import and export of nuclear fuel, transfer of prescribed nuclear technology and software, licensed possession and processing of nuclear materials. This is vital for expanding capacity and deploying small modular reactors or SMRs. Up to 49% FDI will be allowed in select nuclear activities, unlocking foreign capital and technology. To manage this expanded ecosystem, the bill proposes a unified and modern nuclear regulatory framework, a dedicated nuclear tribunal to handle disputes, limited involvement of regular civil courts in nuclear matters. Now the bill is before Parliament and debate is expected as the winter session draws to a close. While supporters call it essential for India's energy future, critics will closely watch safety, accountability, and regulatory strength. If you found this breakdown useful, follow for more such in-depth explainers.